So the other thing you can do is, I'm going to use red. I don't use this a lot. So that was kind of a medium wash. That's what I would call it. I'm just going to put a little bit of red right in here.
This offer won't last long. You get 500 professional business cards for just $9.99. Go to vistaprint.ca.
I like to use these trays when I'm working with iron oxide because it gets everywhere. So I'm going to wet the brush. And now I'm going to use heavy pigment. I'm going to use it like a paint. So you can see how much brighter. So now this brush is wet. If I go over that again, it's going to thin it out. So I'm going to go in the pigment again. So now that this pigment is on my gloves, everything I touch is going to get transferred. So you don't want to... The only problem with this stuff, it contaminates everything, so be aware of that. Now again, if I was to hose that would all come off. I could rub it with a rag, it would tone it down. But we're going to go put it in the sun. And it's already actually drying. I can see it getting sucked in. And we'll show you something after that. I don't want this too dark, so I'm going to try not to pick the pigments up at the bottom. I'm just going to take the water at the top of the cup. So those bug holes kind of fill in with the black pigment. Now, just as an example, I'm going to go deep in this cup. I didn't stir it before I used it. You can see how much more material you pick up. Okay, I'm going to go let that sit in the sun.